Hello students, Master Cadre Subject English. You all are most welcome in our YouTube channel Preparation with RJ. Today our video topic is MCQ related to Augustan period. Students, I make two parts of this video. Today I share with you part 1. Before starting this video, I want to share some important information with you. After the paper of English Master Cadre and SST Master Cadre, we also provide you the videos of NTT, Punjab Patwari, PSTET, CTET, STET. If your nears and dears want to crack the exam related to these fields, then share our YouTube channel with them. You can also follow us on Telegram with the same name, Preparation with RJ. Let's start. You first, who wrote moral essays? Options are Dryden, Addison, Steele, Alexander Pope. The answer is D, Alexander Pope. Moral essays are series of 4 essays. MCQ second, who wrote The Rape of the Lock? Options are Dr. Johnson, Alexander Pope, Dryden, Matthew Arnold. The answer is B, Alexander Pope. Student, The Rape of the Lock has 5 cantos. This work published thrice, first published in 1712, then 1714, after that 1717. When it is published in first time in 1712, then there are 2 cantos in it, and when published second time in 1714, there are total 5 cantos, and the third time publication 1717 is famous because in it Clarissa speech added. MCQ third, who wrote The Death of Dean Swift? Options are Swift, Alexander Pope, John Bull, Adam Smith. The answer is A, Swift. This is published in 1739. This is also known as the obituary of Jonathan Swift. Obituary, OBITUARY. MCQ fourth, Pamela is a novel by. Options are Richardson, Adam Smith, John Bull, Tom Jones. The answer is A, Richardson, Samuel Richardson. This is published in 1740. MCQ fifth, Essay on Criticism was published in. Options are 1711, 1712, 1714, 1713. The answer is A, 1711. An essay on criticism is written by Pope. MCQ 6th, Gullivers Travels is in. Options are 6 parts, 3 parts, 5 parts, 4 parts. Gulliver's Travel is written by Jonathan Swift. It has 4 parts, or you can say it has 4 books. It is published in 1726. MCQ 7th, who wrote the essay? Who wrote an essay? A Modest Proposal. Options are Dr. Johnson, Alexander Pope, Robert Blair, Swift. The answer is D, Swift, Jonathan Swift. This is published in 1729. This work published anonymously. MCQ 8th, who wrote Windsor Forest? Options are Alexander Pope, Peacock, Dryden, Thomas Paine. The answer is A, Alexander Pope. This is a pastoral poem. This is written in 1713. Published in 1713. MCQ 9th, Which book attracted the objection of Queen Anne? Options are The Rape of the Lock, A Tale of Tub, Emma, Pamela. The answer is B. A Tale of Tub, written by Jonathan Swift, published in 1704. MCQ 10th. Who is heroine of Tom Jones? Options are Sophia, Olivia, Ophelia, Octavia. The answer is A. Sophia. Tom Jones, written by Henry Fielding. This is published in 1749. Students, the masterpiece of the writer's publishing date is most important. Then you learn the publishing date of masterpiece of writers. Move to the next MCQ. MCQ 11th. Fanny is a character in. Fanny, its full name is Fanny Goodwill. Fanny Goodwill is a character in. Options are Tom Jones, Joseph Andrews, Pamela, Shamila. The answer is B. Joseph Andrew. The answer is B. Joseph Andrew. She is the heroine of this work, Joseph Andrew, written by Henry Fielding, published in 1742. MCQ 12. Who wrote Journal to Stella? Options are Richardson, Jonathan Swift, Edison, Dr. Johnson. The answer is B. Jonathan Swift. This is published in 1766 posthumously, means after death. There are total 65 letters in it. MCQ 13. The Dunciad. The Dunciad is an attack on. Options are religion, society, kings, dullness of poor poets. The answer is D. Dullness of poor poets. Actually, the main point of this work is, in this work, Alexander Pope criticized the hack poets. It is based on John Dryden poem MacFlecknoe. Move to the next MCQ, 40th. Who termed Dryden and Pope classics of prose? Options are S.T. Coleridge, I.A. Richards, Matthew Arnold, Dr. Johnson. The answer is C. Matthew Arnold. MCQ 15th. Who wrote the periodical essays in 18th century? Options are Richard Steele, Addison, Dr. Johnson, both A and B. The answer is D. Both A and B, means Richard Steele and Addison. The most famous collaboration work of these writers' periodical essays are Tatler and Spectator. Move to the next MCQ. A Tale of Tub by Swift vindicates. Options are Church of America, Catholic Romans, Church of Roman, Church of England. The answer is D. Church of England. MCQ 17th. Who are attacked in the Battle of Books? In the Battle of Books. This is written by Jonathan Swift, published in 1704. This is also the masterpiece of Jonathan Swift. Options are B's, poverty, moderns, ancients. Actually, in this book, they attacked writers. That is, answer is C, modern writers. Modern writers represent by spider, and ancient writers represent by bees. MCQ 18th. Joseph Andrew is a parody of Options are Pamela, Shamila, Tom Jones, Clarissa Harlowe. The answer is A. Pamela. Joseph Andrew is a parody of Pamela. The most interesting thing is that Shamila as well as Joseph Andrew both are parody of Pamela. Pamela is written by Samuel Richardson and published in 1740, and Shamila is written by Henry Fielding and published in 1741, and Joseph Andrew written by Henry Fielding published in 1742. MCQ 19th. Parson Adams character in. Options are Jonathan Wild, Shamila, Tom Jones, Joseph Andrew. The answer is D. Joseph Andrews. MCQ 20th. Who wrote Clarissa Harlowe? Options are Jonathan Wild, Tom Jones, Richardson, Joseph Andrew. The answer is B. Samuel Richardson, published in 1748. Its full title or subtitle is The History of a Young Lady. MCQ 21st. Who wrote A Modest Proposal? Options are Addison, Pope, Swift and Joseph Andrew. The answer is C. Swift. This is published in 1729 anonymously. MCQ 22. Who wrote Jonathan Wild the Great? Its full title or full name is The History of Jonathan Wild the Great. Options are Sir Richardson, John Dryden, Henry Fielding, Addison. The answer is C. Henry Fielding. MCQ 23rd. Sir Roger de Coverley appears in. Options are The Critic, Tatler, Review, The Spectator. Actually, this is a paper, Coverley's paper. This is published in The Spectator or appears in The Spectator. MCQ 24. Who translate Iliad and Odyssey? Actually, both of these are epic written by Greek poet Homer. These are translated by. Options are Pope, Dryden, Oliver Goldsmith, Robert Blair. The answer is A. Pope. MCQ 25. What is the target of Steyr on Tale of Tub? Options are Marvel, moral ideas, religious ideas, none of these. The answer is C. Religious ideas. This is written by Jonathan Swift, published in 1704. Student, if you like and understand this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel Preparation with RJ. Also like, share and comment. Thank you.